Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. Here I share my successes and my failures in hopes that I can provide somebody else with a path to not make the same mistakes that I made. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, pull up a seat. I hope you stay a while. Today we are going to talk about the March 10th paycheck budget and the state income taxes that actually came in at the end of February. So we'll document that over there. But for right now, we're going to talk about the paycheck. I thought that this one was going to be short, but as it turns out, y'all, I squeaked it out. So I'm so glad. This paycheck was $88.16, which means everything that we budgeted for was covered and we have just a little bit of extra. So let's flip over to the excess income page and we'll make a plan for that. Okay, so this is where I keep up with my excess income information, anything extra that comes in, and we're just gonna make a line right across here. Okay, so this is the March 10th YMCA budget for $88.16. We have already budgeted $80 and we always have the change go to the buffer per this plan up here. So that's gonna leave us with $8 to go into our variable expenses. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so variable income, we have the March 10th YMCA and we're gonna have $8 coming from it to go toward this. And we're just gonna put that $8 toward birthdays. And we're gonna write that in pencil instead of pen because we'll obviously end up changing this if more money comes in this month. Okay, so 14 minus 8 leaves us $6 remaining for birthdays. So that'll be the first thing that we attack next. So we need to go back and put birthdays on the excess income plan. Okay, so I'm just gonna write birthdays out to the side here so that we know what it went to, and we'll go back and put it into the actual budget. Okay, so this one was really easy. We've got the buffer of 16 cents and we've got birthdays of $8. Everything else should be the same. So I'm just gonna write all of that in real quick and then we'll do some math. This should be fairly simple. This obviously came out to 16 still, so we're going to 88.16 minus 16 is 72.16. And all of this didn't change, so we already did the math on that and know it's 55, so we're going to subtract 55 from that, and that gives us 17.16. And then of course that was 9 plus 8 is 17.16, and it comes out to 17.16. So we have made a plan for all of the money in this budget. Now, to flip over and do the plan for the taxes. So this money actually arrived during February, so we're back on February's excess income page to put this in because that's where I want to document it. So we got 144 in state taxes, and we had previously planned this out. Most of the plan is going to stay the same, but I made one little change. Just one little change. So I'm going to write in the categories and then we'll write in the amounts. Okay, so when we originally planned for this money, we said that I would take $25 off the top and then we would divide it 4 ways. I've still got it kind of put that way, except for before we had blow money, and now I've changed it to car repairs since we completely depleted that fund. I almost put all of this into car repair, but I decided I'm gonna have faith that more money is coming and I'm gonna stick to this plan because I need money in the emergency fund, and I'll have the emergency fund if anything else happens with the car. So it's not like I have to put every penny that I have into putting this back. There is an emergency fund there if anything happens, and we can slowly build this. I don't have to panic, not gonna panic. So, okay, Murphy was supposed to get $30. Debt also gets $30. The litter robot also gets $30. And then car repairs is going to reboot and get $29. So that is the plan for the state tax money as far as the final plan goes. I am going to go and put this into my little spreadsheet that I keep in my wallet and figure out what we need for the cash envelope stuffing, and I will get that put together for you guys. My next video will be the cash envelope stuffing for both the March 10th paycheck and the state taxes, so be sure that you join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has been the best match for you on the screen. Thank you so much for sticking with me and for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe so that I can see you again, and I'll see you next time. Have a great couple of days, everybody. Bye.